home automation system over the cloud. In our project, we have our hardware requirements such as our power supply, which regulates and gives us 5 volt, and this 5 volt is given to our electromechanical relay and also our node MCU. In this region, we have DHT11 sensor where it senses the temperature and humidity sensor, and here's the I2C OLED screen display where it displays the status of a load of our node MCU. And here is our solid state relays which is connected from our node MCU to control higher electrical load appliances. Whereas for electromechanical relays, this is for controlling our lower electrical appliances. Yes. So here we have 3 ways to control our load appliances. First is our web page where we get where the IP address is shown in this display, and second is our app. So as you can see here, where there is where you can see the buttons to switch on or off our load appliances, and third is our Google Assistant. Well, yes, here's a Google Assistant where we can give our voice command or right over here. So whenever we give whenever we tell to turn on our load, it gives the status right over here. Yes, here's the app which I'm going to show you to control our load appliances. So you can see here our load 1, load 2, load 3, load 4, and here's our emergency load. So whenever the system gets turned off, it will automatically turn on. Okay, so here I'm going to start turning on this load 1 and the rest of the following loads. So here whenever I'm giving this command to turn on, you can see here it turns on the load, our tube light. And similarly for our load 2, the LED light is on. And here similarly for the rest of the loads, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here is our load 5th where we can use a smaller electrical load appliances. And here is our 6th load. This is used for emergency purpose. So whenever the whole appliances gets turned off, this will turn on automatically. And here's our load 7. Okay, here. So here is our solid state relay which controls this higher load appliances. And as you can see, this actually works. And here's the final load which is for higher load appliances such as geyser, etc. ACs. Okay, now let's turn off all the loads and then we'll shut down our main AC appliances. Once it shuts down, this should turn on as our emergency load. Alright, so here's I'm going to turn off. Sorry. Okay. Now I'm going to turn off the whole of the system and let's see if this emergency system works or not. Good. So you can see here the whole system is shut down, even our OLED screen is not working, and henceforth this is working as our emergency system. This emergency system is connected to 9-volt battery. So here is our Google Assistant where we can give a voice command to turn on all the loads. So first we'll first test if we can turn on our load 2 using our voice command. So here's the one. Okay Google, turn on switch number 2. here we can get our response here after some time. Yeah, this is our now here's our response from our Google Assistant that is turned on. So now again I'm going to turn off the same load. So okay Google, turn off switch number 2. Okay, so you can see here that the response, here's a response from the Google Assistant that the load is switched off, and this is our status of our load.